Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect HappyCast. First, ensure your smartphone and the receiving display, like a projector, are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is a crucial first step for seamless mirroring. Next, you will need to download the HappyCast application onto your mobile device. If you are using an Android phone, you might need to enable installation from unknown sources. To connect your Android device, start by opening the HappyCast application on both your phone and the projector. Your smartphone screen should then show the streaming name of your projector. Simply tap on this name to initiate the connection. You may see a quick request pop up on your projector screen. Be sure to allow it to complete the mirroring process. This should establish your connection within a few moments. After tuning each string individually, it's a good idea to play a simple chord, such as a C major, to hear how the strings sound together. If any string sounds a little off, make small, precise adjustments to its tuning peg. For new strings, they tend to stretch and go out of tune quickly. Gently pull each string away from the fretboard a few times, then retune to help them settle and hold their pitch. If you encounter any issues, first confirm both devices are on a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for best performance. A quick restart of both your phone and the projector can often resolve minor connection problems. Also, double-check that the HappyCast app has all required permissions enabled in your device settings. Finally, for the most reliable mirroring, try to keep your devices within 10 feet of each other during use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.